Hi, I'm Larry Bond, Vermilion County Board Chairman, and I would like to share some interesting facts and opportunities about manufacturing right here in Vermilion County. Vermilion County, Illinois, a quiet location nestled in the heartland of America where skilled manufacturing jobs offer hardworking Americans a chance at a good living and a variety of employment opportunities. Did you know October is Manufacturing Month? There are over 20 industries in Vermilion County and they employ 30% of available jobs right here in our county. The average salary for a variety of positions can range from $30,000 to $75,000 a year. And that in the United States, manufacturing jobs are on the rise for the 5th straight year? Yes, you heard me right. Manufacturing careers are in high demand and companies need highly skilled candidates to work in modern facilities using some pretty incredible technology. These high-tech fields can include fabricator, machinist, field service engineer, machining production operator, test service technician, processor, and so much more. High school students can obtain hands-on training for manufacturing jobs through the College Express program. During their junior or senior year, students can choose the option to come to Danville Area Community College campus to obtain dual credit. A few of the courses that lead to jobs in manufacturing include welding, industrial technology, computer technical graphics, and project lead the way. Manufacturing is an ideal career choice for recent high school or college graduates, people looking to expand their work experience, or people who want to transition into a new career. If you're interested in more information about careers or manufacturing, call or visit the American Job Center, 407 North Franklin, Danville, 217-442-0296, or Danville Area Community College Career Center, Cannon Hall, room 213, 217-443-8597.